Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining Tracfone Home Internet in 2026, including how it works, the cost and coverage, and whether it is actually worth it. This is one of the newest budget home internet options, but it works very differently from the cable or the fiber. So let's break it down step by step. You can come to know about it via this link, which is tracfone.com/5G home internet. So, Tracfone Home Internet is a fixed wireless service that runs on Verizon's 4G LTE and 5G network. Instead of cables, it uses a wireless router that picks up a cellular signal and turns it into the Wi-Fi for your home. You just plug in the router and your internet starts working without any technician or installation. Now, if we talk about the pricing, so its pricing starts with as low as $39 per month to $60 per month, depending on the offer and auto refill discounts. It's prepaid service, so there is no contracts, no credit checks, and you pay month to month. The speeds can range from about 20 Mbps up to 200 Mbps depending on your location and whether you get 4G or 5G signals. This is good for streaming, browsing, and daily usage, but speeds may slow down during the peak hours since it depends on the network traffic. Now, most of the plans are advertised as unlimited data, but like other wireless services, speeds may be reduced during the congestion or the often after the heavy usage. The coverage depends completely on Verizon's network. It's available in many parts of the United States, but not everywhere. You can check the availability by entering your home address and your email address over here. Now, areas with the strong 5G signal will get the better speeds, while 4G areas may be slower. So, Tracfone Home Internet is a good option if you want cheap, simple, and no contract internet with easy setup. But if you need very fast and stable speeds for gaming or heavy work, fiber or cable internet will usually be a better choice for you. If this video helped you understand Tracfone Home Internet better, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.